Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to use the hyperbolic function in scientific calculator. I am using Casio FX991EX calculator. Follow the simple steps. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. So let's start. The first thing we need to do is we need to activate the calculate profile. So what we need to do is go to menu, the first, that is calculate, activate the calculate menu, go to options. Yeah, you can see hyperbolic function, press 1. Now you can see all the hyperbolic functions in your display. Now you can perform any of the operations as per your requirement. So let's go with an example. Let's first go to options, then to hyperbolic functions. Let's go with signage. Yeah, let's insert any value for as an example. Close the bracket, solve, and you will get the value of the sine hyperbolic function. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. For any questions and query, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel, and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.